Hi, this is Mike Pucciarelli. In today's short webinar, we'll be talking about how you use the black Plex table with one light, two lights. And I'll tell you how we can add light with, silver reflectors. Also, white reflectors, white foam cards. We can also, when a strobe bleeds too much light, we can use a black card to control it. And then, we could, raise the light. We can lower the light. I'm going to quickly do the next setup. Next setup. Is with the light. If you want to photograph like a watch, this is a great setup where this is at a 45-degree angle. The light is at a 45-degree angle too. And the light, about maybe 12 inches. And the perpendicular, it should match the perpendicular pattern. And suppose, this were straight. Suppose this were like a solid or opaque, non-glass. You could add a soft light, the snoot at a 40-foot angle. You can also add in, fill light or other light with the silver reflector, white card, and if the strobe bleeds too much light, you could use this to control the light. This is another setup if you want to show off the edges. You would power your strobe all the way up, and if you need the light, you can add it through the snoot at a 40-foot angle. You do the same thing with white cards, silver cards. You could add in fill lights. Sometimes you could just do this, and you can still add in light with a silver card reflector, a white card. Thank you for watching this webinar. Maybe subscribe or like to my channel. Still life photography of Michael Pucciarelli. Thank you for listening.